Portable tent air conditioner. Open the packaging. Let's take a look at what's inside. A manual and remote control. Exhaust duct adapter cover. Drain pipe. Exhaust duct. One big and one small. Window baffle. Tent air conditioning. Plug in the power supply. Power on prompt. Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn on the device. Can be adjusted from 16 to 30. Simultaneously, press to convert to Fahrenheit. Fan speed can be adjusted to dehumidify. Sleep. Air supply, equipped with timing function. Infrared remote controller. Need to have. No obstruction on the front side. Install exhaust duct adapter cover. Install exhaust duct. Cooperate with the use of window baffle. Easy restoration. When the humidity is greater than 70. Need to plug in the drain pipe.